Oh, I want to get myself shit. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the Eufy battery backup for their Homebase 2. This just came out and it's $50. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out in current pricing. I do see that it's $50 right now with I think it's a 10% discount. So why is this important, you ask? Well, it provides up to 8 hours of battery backup on their Homebase 2. So any product that utilizes this Homebase, it'll allow for 8 hours of backup. If the power goes out in your house or wherever you're at, you got the 2C model security camera it works with, the doorbell, or some of the doorbells, and the 2C Pro, their security system. All of that works on the battery backup. If it connects to the Homebase 2, it works on the battery backup as well for up to 8 hours. Now what's really nice about this is, you know what? If your power goes out, guess what goes out as well? Probably your internet. So you're not going to have internet to provide to when you upload the videos to the base. You're not going to be able to see it on your phone, but you're also not going to get the alerts. So if you have your security system, all of that will all work. It will still record videos. It will still alarm or set the alarm or trigger the alarm on the Homebase and everything like that. It won't alert your phone if there's no internet, but it will still work. Everything else will work for it. And the cameras will record to the base while you don't have internet. And then once you get internet back, then you can get on your phone and look at the footage, or at least go back to the footage and look at it at that time as well. So let's go ahead and see what you get in the box. So for starters, you get this little support card. Come on, focus. Then you get a quick start guide. I'm actually surprised. This quick start guide is pretty thick for something that looks, or at least seems so easy to hook up. But you get this quick start guide. Then you get the Homebase, or at least the Homebase battery backup. It's really pretty small. It's kind of a flat white, and then at the bottom you have 4 little legs or whatever, little pads, rubber pads to set them on, just like the bottom of this. And you got some vents, or probably vents to allow for the siren to go through. And then you got the plug that plugs into the bottom of the base. And it looks like you have a status light in the front, so that way you can tell if it's being charged or if it's power's going to it. Now to get this all set up, it's pretty straightforward and easy. Put the Homebase down, or at least the battery backup, put the Homebase in the battery backup, and then you plug in the battery backup to the base, and then you'll take your power cord and plug it into where it needs to on the battery backup. So now it's charging the battery backup, and the battery backup's powering the base. Pretty simple, right? As you can see, it's not even plugged in. It's only plugged into the battery backup. And I haven't even charged this thing yet. It's already trying to power it. I think it's probably trying to tell me. You can tell. I don't know if you can see that. The light's blinking, probably telling me the battery's about to die. And then you got the, looks like a red orangish light in the bottom, probably telling me the battery's about dead. Bet you this thick quick starter guide would tell me what the colors mean. Well, would you look at that? As a matter of fact, it does. Blue means it's working properly. Flashing blue means it's charging. Red, not orange, not connected to power, and flashing red is low battery, just as we thought, but now you know. Well, with that being said, I think it's pretty cool that they came out with a little battery backup for all your devices that use the Homebase 2. It's pretty inexpensive, I think, $50, not too bad. What's really cool is if you have a place that you don't have power or can connect it to power, go ahead and charge this thing up, and then you'll have 8 hours of recording security camera footage to it. Maybe you have an RV that you don't want to run the generator at night. That might really be something you're interested in, might be something worth. If you have any unique ideas about using this, go ahead and put in the comment section below. I'd love to hear what your unique thoughts are. Again, this is $50. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out yourself. There might be a better discount on Amazon once you get to that link. I don't know. Just check it out if you're interested. Like I said, if you have any unique ideas about this, put it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you, as well as I'm sure other people would like to know what your ideas are. If you have any questions, comments, or opinions about this, put it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you too. If this is your first time to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next time.